better people is not by the dunya standard. This is our problem. We judge people by dunya standard, right? So she has a PhD, I have a college degree, she's better than me. Who said that? This is how I say it to myself. Who is the only one who has the right to judge who is better than other?
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
The creator. What did he say? It's in the Quran, right? خلقناكم يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم. People, not Muslims, believer, people created you from a man and a woman, made you nations and tribes so you know each other. Full stop. إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم. This is why it is here, because people think I'm better because I am this or I am that. No. It is the most akramakum, the most honorable in the sight of Allah is the one who has taqwa. So if she or he got married before me, that doesn't mean they are bad or they are better. This is a decree. Allah have allowed it now. If I become a teacher and you become a doctor, you're not better than me or I am better than you. This is how Allah divided it.
Yeah.
And if I believe Allah is al-adl, and we all do, Allah is just, that's just. I think the issue is we need to know Allah better.